Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Aaliyah and today's video is going to be on this look right here. I saw it on Instagram by, I think it's Makeup by Jasper. I'm not completely sure, but I will put the picture right here. This is a recreation of his look. I wanted to give it a shot because like I saw it on Instagram and I absolutely loved it. I don't have his exact products. I do have products that are like similar to the colors. So this is a recreation. I will list what I used down below and I will link the picture to his Instagram, or I'll just put it on the screen right here so you can see what I was going for. But if you want to know how I recreated this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, first things first is we're going to prep our lids, and I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette with this lightest shade right here. Alright, and for the first color, I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics second edition 120 color palette. On this first sheet of colors right here, I'm going to go into and mix these two yellow ones. I'm going to mix these two yellows and go right in above the crease. Alright, once you have your yellow, I'm going to take this one off, dip into the bottom, and mix these two red shades right here. Put that right in the crease. Pat it out first. Once that looks a mess, fine. So we're just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend those together. Right here, I did dip into a yellowish orange just to make them blend a little bit better. I just want to deepen this a little bit, clean it up a little, so I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte Palette. I'm going to go in, if I can open it. I'm going to go in with this red shade right here, and just kind of, yes, that's better. And deepen that up. So back into the BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette. Back in here into the lightest shade with that same flat brush. Take it and cut your crease. Just like that. Alright, once you've cut your crease, you're going to go back in with that yellow shade right here. And just pack it in the inner corner. Alright, and then going into the same palette, right next to the yellow, going down, is an orange shade. It looks very yellow. I'm going to go into this orange shade right here with that same brush that I used to blend my red and my yellow. So go into the orange with this. Pack that right in the middle of your lid. Yes. Alright, and very lightly, we're going to brush it. And go back with your yellow and brush your yellow over your orange. If you need to, you can pick a little more up. We just don't want that harsh line between the two. We want it to blend. Go back into this deep red. I'm going to mix that red with the red from this palette with a little bit of the brown that's next to it. I'm gonna put that right here on the outer corner. Yes. Once you look like this, you can move on to the face, because we're gonna have to come back to this later anyway. If you watched my past video, or maybe my past couple videos, you know I like to use Milk of Magnesia on my face. Someone told me that it would stop me from being oily and make my makeup last longer, and it actually has. So I'll just take this and pat it everywhere that I get super oily and that messes with my makeup. As you can see, it will turn white like that. Now once you look absolutely insane with all this stuff on your face, go ahead and put on foundation. I'm going to be using the Fit Me in 356 with a damp beauty blender. I just blend it out. Once all of that is blended out, next is concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Better Than Skin in the shade Deep. So nice. Fake a love, fake a love, fake a love. I'm so sorry, but it's fake a love. After that, we're gonna set our concealer very quickly, very quickly. All right, I'm gonna take this fluffy blush and this Maybelline Fit Me and pack it on. While this is doing this thing, I'm just gonna give it a spritz really quickly. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Let that dry. Then we're gonna go to the under eye. Going back into this Modern Mattes palette by BH Cosmetics, and with this pretty blue right here. Get you the real feel for that blue. And this one right here. Take that under the eye. Sure it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to move on to the rest of the face. All right, I'm going to contour really quickly with the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. Contour my nose with the same contour palette. up really quick. I'm gonna go over it with the brush that I used for my face powder. Alright, and now it's time for blush. For blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline blush in the color Deep Wine. Spray one more time. I'm so obsessed with BTS, like so obsessed. I love them. And then really quick, I'm gonna put on lashes. And before we put on lashes, I'm just gonna put on some mascara, also by Maybelline, Big Colossal Shot. I think this is the one from Many MUA. I do mix my mascaras because I like the way that this one makes them like big and full, but this one separates the lashes so much better. All right, once we did that, now time for some lashes. Forgot to put mascara on. And now for our highlighter, I'm actually going to use an eyeshadow. I'm going to go into this palette, 28 color foil eyes, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Yes. After 4 more spritz of this, I just moved on to the lips and used the same lip pencil that I always do. We go from Tokyo, Italy, Hong Kong to Brazil. I am literally over here in tears editing this because of how much I am singing BTS and having to cut it out. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for this look. It's not perfect, it's not just like his, but it's like pretty freaking close if you ask me. And honestly, I love it. I want to do this again. I want to do it all the time. We might just make this a We Try It Wednesday. It's Thursday. Well, the first one will go up on Thursday and the rest of these will be We Try It Wednesdays. Oh, I love this. Alright, you guys, that is it for this week's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that little bell in the bottom to be notified every single time I post. And if you recreate this look or any of my past looks, don't forget to tag me in them. All my usernames, @ all of that, social medias will be down below, and I will see you guys next week.